Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how you can find the SWIFT code of the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. So SWIFT codes are really very important for you to send and receive the international money transactions. So here, first of all, come here on the website of ADCB Bank, which is adcb.com. Once you are here, simply click on this search icon here on the top. Now you need to look for SWIFT code. So once you type it, you will find some of the articles relating to this query. So you can go through these articles and try to get the SWIFT code as per your region. Now, if this method isn't working for you, you can just try to get it on your bank statements or with the help of login into your online banking account. So these two methods also work for you to get the SWIFT code. Now you can also come here on bank.codes. Here simply just fill out this form. First of all, select your country, which in our case is United Arab Emirates. After that, simply select the bank, which in our case is the ADCB bank. So you will have to type the full bank name, which is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Here it is. After that, select the city and it is going to show you the SWIFT codes as per the details that you have added here. As you can see, we have different SWIFT codes for Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So you can just choose any of these which you want, and now you can use it to make the international transfer. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.